Meet Alex. Alex is 24. He works hard, pays his bills, and tells himself, next year will be better. Next year I'll get serious about money. But every year feels the same. New year, same balance. New year, same stress. If you're like Alex, you don't need more money quotes. You don't need complicated charts. You need habits and long-term thinking that actually fit a normal life. Today, you'll see how Alex stops chasing quick fixes and starts using tiny daily actions that quietly change his future. Stay with me. One night, Alex was lying in bed, scrolling through his bank app. Salary in, bills out, random spending. End of the month, almost nothing left. He sighed and thought, how am I 24 and still living like this? Then he opened social media. People his age were posting about investing, buying cars, traveling. He felt behind. He felt like he had already missed it. So he did what many of us do. He searched how to make money fast. Suddenly, his screen was full of turn 500 into 5,000 in a month. Secret trading strategy. Quit your job with this one hack. It all sounded exciting, but deep down, Alex felt something wasn't right. He remembered something his uncle once told him. Fast money feels good. Kept money changes your life. Alex closed the tabs. For the first time, he asked a different question. Maybe the problem isn't how much I make. Maybe the problem is how I think about time. Here's what Alex realized. Most people overestimate what they can change in 1 month and underestimate what they can change in 5 years. He'd been asking, how can I feel better about money by Friday? But the better question was, how do I want my life to feel 5 years from now? So he grabbed a notebook and wrote 2 sentences. Alex in 5 years if I change nothing. Alex in 5 years if I improve a little every day. Under the first, he wrote, still stressed, no savings, scared of any big expense. Under the second, he wrote, has a safety net, knows where his money goes, invests a bit every month, feels calm. Not perfect, but calm. Looking at the page, something clicked. Both futures were possible. The difference wasn't luck, it was habits. Alex chose one simple rule. Do at least one thing each day that future Alex would thank me for. Not get rich, not never spend, just earn future Alex's respect. To make that real, he built 3 tiny habits. Habit 1, the 2-minute money check. Every evening, before he opens social media or YouTube, Alex spends just 2 minutes checking 3 things. Number 1, how much did I spend today? Number 2, how much is left for the month? Number 3, did even $1 move towards savings or investments? No spreadsheets, just a quick look and a note in his phone. At first, it felt uncomfortable. He didn't like seeing how often small things added up. But after a week, something changed. Right before tapping buy now, his brain quietly asked, will this make tonight's 2-minute check feel good or bad? That tiny pause is what long-term thinking feels like in real life. Habit 2, the 1-day delay. Alex made a new personal rule. If it costs more than $40, I will wait at least 1 day before buying it. For you, the number might be 20 or 50. Pick what matches your life. Now, when he really wants something, he doesn't say no forever. He says, tomorrow I'll decide. The next day, 2 things usually happen. Either he doesn't care anymore, or he still wants it and can buy without guilt. He stopped losing money to late-night emotions. His future self finally had a voice. Habit 3, the automatic future payment. Alex asked himself, what is the smallest amount I can send to my future self every month without breaking everything? He didn't wait for a perfect plan. He picked a small, real number, $30 a month. He set an automatic transfer to the day after payday from his main account to a separate place called Future Alex. The first month, he felt it, $30 missing from his spending money. But after a couple of months, his brain adjusted to the slightly smaller paycheck and he stopped thinking of that money as gone. Then one day, he checked Future Alex and smiled. It wasn't a huge amount, but it was the first time he had money that had stayed. That feeling is what long-term thinking gives you. After a few months, Alex's life didn't look dramatically different from the outside. Same job, same apartment, same friends. But inside, everything had shifted. He knew where his money went. He had a small but real safety net. He was investing a little automatically. And most importantly, he trusted himself more. Long-term thinking is not about being perfect. It's about being a little bit better, again and again, until one day your future feels totally different. Now it's your turn. Tonight, ask yourself this. If I keep living exactly like this for the next 5 years, will I be okay with where I end up? If the answer is no or I'm not sure, don't panic. Just start with these 3 tiny habits. Number 1, do a 2-minute money check every day. Number 2, use a 1-day delay for purchases over your chosen amount. Number 3, set up one automatic payment, even a very small one, to a place you call Future Me. Do this for 30 days. Then look back and notice how different you feel about money and about yourself. If this story about Alex helped you, tell me in the comments which habit you will start today. And if you want more simple money stories and tiny steps that turn into big changes over time, hit subscribe. Your future self is already waiting for you to begin. This is just one tiny step in your big leap.